Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one of the things that some of you might need in order to use a PC is use a different style of colors in Windows, and maybe even increase the contrast, the difference between text, background, and so on. Some people have disabilities that require that you make major changes to the standard way of Windows for proper viewing and being able to use a PC. So there are some settings for high contrast mode in Windows 11. We're going to show both Windows 11 and Windows 10 in two separate videos. A lot of videos I will do in the future will actually have its Windows 10 and Windows 11 counterparts. So this is for Windows 11. If you're wondering what we have in Windows 10, next video will be Windows 10, so you'll have the Windows 10 version. There are some slight differences where and how it works. So in Windows 11, you simply go into your settings. In here, you'll have accessibility on the left side. And there you will have contrast themes. If you click there, you will have standard themes that are already in here. But you can also edit these themes for viewing. So depending on the type of disability that you have, it could be color blindness, it could be simply difficulty viewing certain shapes or letters in front of a certain color background, and so on. So you got contrast themes. By the way, if you have a hard time getting there, there's a keyboard shortcut to actually turn it on automatically without you having to go through the menus. And the shortcut is left Alt key with left Shift key with print screen. All three together will bring you and turn on the contrast themes. Now, if you have contrast themes, you will see that there is 4 options that you have available. One is aquatic. Once it's applied, you will see the colors has some blue in it. You can edit these colors by going into the edit. You have options to change the color of the different options, the different things on the screen. Links, it could be buttons, it could be the background, it could be text, and so on. It could be highlighted text, like the selected text. Here, for example, selected text, which is highlighted blue. I'll change it for, say, yellow. And I click in the color palette on the screen, and I just click Done. Once that is done, there will be, in selected text, a change to that color when you have the theme. Everything that you do will actually change depending on what you want to do. So you can keep the themes and you can keep the options as they are. You can change the different colors of these options, and you can then save that theme and say, well, this is my modified theme personal. You can save and apply. Once done is done, you see that the colors have changed. Now the accessibility is here. The links have become kind of pink, which is the color I chose. And it will be actually available now in the theme lists. So you'll have the modified theme. But you can try, of course, whatever theme is available first. See how it works. See if it's good for you or not. And if these themes are not what you like, what you want, then create your own with the edit functionality on Windows. And of course, anybody that has any of these themes going on, want to go back to normal, simply click and go to none, click apply, and then everything comes back to the way it was before on your Windows device. So this could be very useful for people with disabilities, and the fact that you can edit all of these themes with your personalized colors and backgrounds is also very useful. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.